good. Okay. All right, shall we?
Yeah.
Here we go.
또 온 김에 또 장도 보고 가시려나 보구나.
Isn't this cool, Ollie?
Oh dear.
Ollie, look how big it is. Look how big. Babe, this is huge. This is like a regular shopping mall.
Yeah. This is insane. 아! 안녕하세요.
What's that now?
All right.
What is that now?
Look, Ollie.
Okay, Stephanie, where?
This Mart was like a mall.
Yeah.
I have never been in a store like that. It had outdoor stuff, like camping stuff. It had electronics. It had
Appliances.
Yeah, I mean, it had food, it had toys, it had shoes, it had clothing. What didn't it have? It's like, how are there that many people who need to buy that much stuff? It's so much. It's really, really impressive. And I can't wait to go shopping more.
Yeah.
But aren't the mart bigger in the States?
Not like this. Like this is, for it to be like one store and be that big is not something we have in the States. Like we have
생각해보면
like
그냥 한 층으로 크게 있지 막 이렇게 막 겹겹겹층으로 막 있진 않잖아요. 막. 4층에는 뭐 가전, 뭐 3층에는 뭐 막 이렇게 크진 않잖아요.
Holy moly.
wow, this place is insane.
This is nothing like Mart by our house.
No,
This
not
is
at
like-
all.
This is a mall.
This is infinitely better.
Fans, we do need fans.
Holy moly.
Stephanie, 신났어, Stephanie.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Let's go.
Wow.
Let's go this way. What is that? Babe, look. Kimchi.
아, 김치냉장고.
저거는 확실히 미국에 없죠.
Oh my goodness. These are huge.
Is it like for a restaurant?
Okay, first of all,
엄청 큰 걸 보시긴 했다.
oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
How much kimchi could they possibly be eating?
This is
I don't
amazing.
even know how to work this thing.
I mean,
kimchi?
I love kimchi, but I'm
Okay.
blown away.
Who can eat this much kimchi?
저렇게 생각할
This is
만하다.
crazy.
당연히 그렇게 생각하지.
도대체 얼마나 먹는 거야, 김치를?
Ollie,
This is crazy.
you know our kimchi fridge that we have at home? This is like a huge one of those. People fill this fridge up with that. Could you eat that much kimchi? I couldn't either, even though I like it.
근데 이거는 확실하게 외국인들에게 낯선 컨셉이긴 해요.
1년치를 넣어놓기 때문에 저렇게 큰
For a
거다.
whole year supply of
100 캐비지 정도 해가지고 저희가 다 넣어놓고
Oh,
Make
that
it
makes much more sense. Because we were thinking, like, are people eating kimchi this much where they can just like restock this fridge?
Except for that.
우리나라는 약간 냉장고에 그래도 김치가 좀 넉넉하게 있어야지 조급하지 않잖아요.
One for the whole week.
Babe, they've got so many different ones. Look at this. What is that? I don't know.
Induction heating. Yeah, I think these are air fryers. Oh my.
Oh look,
A
rice
rice
cooker.
cooker.
사실.
we're in the right
밥솥,
direction here.
밥통.
요즘 밥솥 참 잘 나와.
대박이다.
Like our intake of rice has increased dramatically since we moved here.
Yeah.
And so it's like, you know, instant rice was a viable solution when you only ever ate it.
And I just, that's not the authentic Korean experience to eat
Yeah.
instant rice out of your cabinet every day.
Yeah.
So now we have an authentic Korean rice maker, and we can make a whole bunch of rice and eat it for every meal,
Yeah.
like the Koreans do.
굿 아이디어.
Pop.
Is your tummy happy and full? All right.
아, 밥통이 훨씬 맛있지.
This one is
All right, let's find Let's find one that will suit our needs.
Yes, we don't need this something this fancy. It's too expensive. Who's talking to me?
The one behind you just said
This
something
one?
at you. I don't know.
별전 모드가 종료되었습니다. 별전 모드가 종료되었습니다. 별전 모드가 종료되었습니다.
Don't touch it.
I just wanted to look.
Don't touch it.
I just wanted to look.
We can't afford for you to break that. Babe.
Okay, we don't need a big fancy, like this is, we don't
those
need
are way too
anything that
expensive.
fancy. Okay, look, this is this one. That seems like a good size, right? And it's there, or we could get Electro Man.
Turn me up.
Yeah, I like that one.
Oh, it doesn't. Uh-oh.
I saw one.
저거 이렇게 돌려서 열어야 되는데. 네.
It doesn't. Uh-oh. Stephanie, I broke this one.
I saw one.
You saw one?
Oh, it doesn't. Uh-oh.
Which one did you broke? Which one did you
I
broke?
found that one.
Huh?
Oh my gosh. No, you didn't.
It wasn't opening.
Huh?
I didn't actually break it, Ali. I was exaggerating. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Oh, we were looking for a rice cooker for six 인용.
6인용. 지금 이렇게 애기들하고 하면은 6인용 쓰셔도 되고 3인용 쓰셔도 되세요.
Oh,
Oh, 네.
okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, 네.
okay.
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 그러면은 지금 가격 착한 가격으로 보시는 거예요?
아, 그렇죠. 점점 이제 꼬여가요.
예.
죄송합니다. 죄송합니다.
이제 처음 오셔서 하시는 거죠? 그럼 요 뒤에 가서 제가 한번 안내 한번 드려볼게요. 요 뒤쪽으로. 요 뒤쪽으로요. 이쪽 가서 한번 안내해 드려볼게요, 선생님. 예.
일단 따라가 보죠.
예, 예.
Huh?
Sure.
Oh.
예, 예. 네.
That's
여기에
fine.
보면은 여기 레시피가 나옵니다. 레시피가 죽 같은 것도 소금 조금 넣어서 한국의 요리를 또 한번 이렇게 해서 잡숴보시고 그러는 걸로 추천을 해드립니다, 메뉴. 이거는 원래는 이유식도 되고 어른들도 잡수고 하는데요. 여기다가 야채 같은 거
이 잡스고.
쓰셔도 되고요. 캠핑을 어디 놀러 가실 때 쓰셔도 되고요. 그래서 이걸로 다 하시면
Well, I think we should get this one since this is the one she helped us find. 네. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Okay,
그래도
so this
가격대도 딱
This one?
저렴하고
Okay.
너무 비싸지 않은 걸로 추천해 주셔가지고.
one.
Look, these spiders aren't in here.
그러면 한국에 처음 오셨으니까 어떤 맛있게 잡수고 요리도 여기 한번 잡숴보세요. 제가 한번 선물로 드릴게요.
사은품도
상품,
있다.
상품.
네.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
애기들도 밥 맛있게 먹어요.
Sissy, say 안녕히 계세요.
안녕히 계세요. 감사합니다.
Babe, that lady was so nice, and I feel bad that all we can say is yes, thank
I
you.
know. Don't make me feel worse than I already have to. We had no idea how many options there were.
Crazy.
It was so much. I mean, it was insane to see. It was like 2 aisles of popso. I mean, it was
Right.
It was crazy to me.
그 전기밥솥으로 삼계탕도 할 수 있고.
맞아, 다 할 수 있어. 맞아. 코리안 에어프라이어지.
맞아,
멀티쿠커.
멀티쿠커네.
Y'all should go get something fun for the kids. I'll do some grocery shopping, and
Yes.
then we can meet back up.
Okay, here's the grocery list.
Okay.
And
All right, bye. I'm gonna go get
Bye.
some food. Oh my goodness. Wish me luck. I don't know what I'm doing.
good luck.
Okay, wow.
아, 외국 가서 첫 장봉이지 쉽지 않을 것 같아.
Jana.
Okay, let's find kimchi. Kimchi. Oh, okay. Oh, there's. Oh my.
아, 지금 약간
Oh my. This is a lot of kimchi.
김치 종류가 너무 많지.
너무 많지.
열무김치, 배추김치.
파김치, 갓김치.
저게 다 다르다는 게 너무 신기해.
진짜.
We had no idea there were so many different types of kimchi. More than 100.
What is the difference? What is this?
뭐가 다른 거야?
What is that? Ponytail kimchi?
포니테일 김치.
퍼니테일.
귀엽다.
I don't think that's what I want.
배추김치 찾으시는 거죠?
Oh dear, I don't know. 안녕하세요. 종류별 거.
종류별 어떤 차이가 있나요?
어떤 차? 야.
이거 너무 어려운 질문인데 이거.
요거는 지금 포기김치예요. 안 썰어 놓은 거.
고기 김치.
Is it cut?
이렇게 썰어
I
놓은 거.
I cut it.
이거는 지금 막김치라고 잔잔하게 이렇게 가위를 이렇게 썰은 거고요. 국물이 들어있는 백김치.
이거 아이들한테 중요한 딱주.
정말 좋아해.
총각김치. 이렇게 무들어있는. 이렇게 무들어있는 총각김치.
Oh, okay.
네, 요거는 파김치인데 파김치 드셔보셨어요?
파김치?
파김치.
파김치 with 라면.
So good. 끝나지.
하는 양파 하는 뭐라고요?
요거 무김치.
I guess we'll just have to try them. 감사합니다. The lady was super nice and told me lots of things about the kimchis, but I still don't know what is best. So, okay, I guess we'll just try different kinds. I think we'll do.
역시 좀 통이 크시다, 스테파니 씨가.
이렇게 되면 아까 그 김치냉장고를 다시 사러 가야 될 것 같은데.
This kind. And this one's sliced.
멋있다. 뭔지 모르겠으니까 그냥 다 먹어버리자.
일단 먹어.
그렇지.
진짜 많이 샀다.
손이 크시다. 여기 위험한 곳 아닌가, 애들 가기에?
와.
Yeah, can I have them?
I don't think so.
눈빛이 달라져요.
Is
눈빛.
that a shark? Is
Yeah,
that
that's a shark.
This is Big Elsa. This is Big Elsa.
어떻게 엘사다.
엘사. 엘사.
Yeah.
Can I touch them?
Yeah, you can touch the dresses.
Okay.
You have so many Elsa dresses, baby.
And then Anna.
앉았다.
못 지나가요, 저기는 엘사는.
Huh?
A green car. Here, Isabel, will you help Ollie pick out a car?
Aw,
Oh, it's okay.
green car. Hey, can I have this?
No,
Why?
because that does not say.
진짜 슬퍼졌어.
Oh, Ollie, look.
Huh. And then I look for Elsa.
Isabel,
I did.
엘사를 못 지났죠.
would you like to look at some other things too? Oh, look.
귀여워.
저러면 아빠 마음이 진짜 아우 당장이라도 사주고 싶지. 근데 이게 이제
근데 왜 안 사주는 거예요, 아빠들은?
근데 이제 그게 사달라는 대로 다 사주기 시작하면 이제 너무 세상이 쉬워 보일 수도 있고 애들이.
애기 가지고 싶은 그런 마음이 없어진대요. 다 사주면 욕심이나 욕망 그런 것도 없어지니까
아, 그래요?
교육적이지 않아.
너무 싫은 게 저런 데 가면은 내 거 안 사주면서 엄마 아빠 자기네들 사고 싶은 거 다 사면 진짜 더러워서 돈 벌어야겠다 이런 생각 어렸을 때 엄청 했거든요.
그래서 안 사주는 거. 그래서 지금 더러워서 돈 벌어서 돈 많이 벌었잖아.
Can I take Elsa? Can I? Elsa.
Oh, do you love it?
Can I? And then Big Elsa have bare feet. Big Elsa have bare feet.
막 녹아내려요 이러면.
That's the thing that you want?
Yeah. But,
You're sure that's the thing you want?
yeah.
Okay, then go ahead and grab it. Okay, then go ahead and grab it.
Follow me, Daddy.
Can you carry that?
Yeah.
Wow, your hands were sweaty, weren't they?
Grab this.
Are you gonna carry that?
Yeah.
Okay, well then let's go help Ollie pick out a toy.
See?
자기보다 더 큰 거 같아.
두 손으로 버겁게 들 수 있는 걸 사주는 것도 좋아요. 그래야 딴 걸 못 집어 가다가.
전략적으로, it's a good strategy to buy her something really big.
I want this.
You can hug it.
I picked
There you go.
I want my toy all by myself.
This is what you pick?
Yeah.
This is the one you want?
Yeah.
100%?
Yep.
Okay, well, that was fast and easy.
Oh,
All right.
I love you, Ash.
All right, when we buy her, we'll go take it to Mommy and let Mommy look at it. And you can show Mommy, you can surprise Mommy with what you chose, okay?
My toy. 어떡하죠?
너무 신났어.
You'll never guess what she picked.
And this. And this. Also this.
Oh my goodness.
It was bigger. And this is the horse. The gas are just little else are just ride on.
She
Open
can't
it.
Well, we're gonna leave her right here, and then when we get home, you can play with her.
모두의 즐거움 MBC 에브리원.